What if you could bridge the gap between design and execution, delivering precision, efficiency, and eliminating guesswork entirely? That's the transformative power of DELMIA Robotics. In the fast-paced world of body-in-white manufacturing, where accuracy and efficiency are non-negotiable, every great project begins with the pre-design phase. This is where DELMIA's plant layout solution shines, turning visionary ideas into actionable, production-ready layouts. Whether you're importing resources from external CAD models or leveraging DELMIA's extensive database, the process is trivial. Robots, fixtures, conveyors, and other essential equipment can be positioned and aligned in 3D with pinpoint precision. Finally, DELMIA brings it all together in a photorealistic environment. With DELMIA 3Dverse, you can design, plan, and simulate complex robotic logic on a single platform. And once everything is finalized, the robot program can be translated automatically to the shop floor, bridging the gap between design and execution with zero downtime. From pre-design to deployment, DELMIA Robotics empowers you to innovate and optimize every step of your robotics workflow. The future of precision, efficiency, and automation is here, and it's powered by DELMIA. Don't get left behind in the future of manufacturing. Contact us now to see DELMIA Robotics in action and discover how it can transform your production process. The next step in innovation starts with you.